Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Here we have to tap on date and time, and as you can see right now our device is using network provided time and time zone. That's why we cannot manually change those options, but no worries, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher to activate the time zone option, and tap here and pick off option to activate the date and time. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it you will be able to pick the date from this calendar. So all you have to do is to simply find the date you would like to set. So for example this one, tap on OK, and as you can see it immediately changes. The same situation with the time, but here you have to choose the time from the clock. So let me pick for example 6 o'clock and tap on OK, and the same situation, it also immediately appears on the status bar. We can select the time zone, just tap on the region, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So I will pick Panama for example, and as you can see it immediately changes also, but be aware that after changing the time zone that time will also change according to it. What's more, we can customize the clock format, so we can use 24-hour format just like now, or 12-hour format just by tapping on the switcher right here, and as you can see it also immediately changes. So actually this is it. This is how to customize, how to change date and time. Obviously you can go back to all previous settings, just tap on this switcher to use 24-hour format, tap on this option and to use network provided time, and pick the switcher to use automatic time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to manage, how to customize the date and time in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.